What if I told you some police cars are faster than a Lamborghini? Level 1 is your basic everyday cop car. Level 7 does 0 to 200 miles per hour. And Level 4, I promise you, is going to absolutely blow your mind. Stay right there. Let's go. Alright, starting at Level 1. This is the car you see every single day driving around your neighborhood. The Ford Police Interceptor Utility. It looks like a regular Ford Explorer, but do not let that fool you. Under the hood sits a 400 horsepower engine that pushes this beast to a top speed of 148 miles per hour. It has bulletproof panels, special pursuit tires, and a reinforced frame built to survive serious crashes. Every single state in America uses this car. It is reliable, it is everywhere, and it is always watching. Think of it like the pizza delivery guy of police cars. Dependable, always on time, and showing up whether you want it to or not. This is Level 1. Level 2, and things are already getting serious. Meet the Dodge Charger Pursuit, the most iconic police car in American history. That massive V8 engine produces 370 horsepower and roars like an angry lion when it fires up. Top speed? 160 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds. This is the car you have seen in every single Hollywood chase movie, and there is a very good reason for that. It looks mean, it sounds mean, and it absolutely is mean. When those red and blue lights flip on behind you and you hear that V8 growling, your heart drops straight into your stomach. America's most feared patrol car. This is Level 2. Things only get crazier from here. Level 3 is where things get seriously unexpected. Some police departments across America and in Norway are now deploying the Tesla model, says an actual patrol car. No engine roar, no warning sound. Completely silent. It sprints from 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds. Faster than almost every sports car on the road today. Top speed hits 163 miles per hour. Imagine a police car that sneaks up behind you like an absolute ninja. You check your mirror and suddenly those lights are right there with zero warning. No noise, no rumble, nothing. Electric power, instant torque, and total stealth. This is not the future of policing. It is already happening. Right now on real American streets. This is Level 3. Here it is, the one I promised you, Level 4. The Italian police actually drive a real Lamborghini Huracan as an official police car and with real sirens, real lights, and a real 610 horsepower V10 engine screaming underneath that hood. Top speed? 212 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Italy uses this car to rush donor organs across the country for emergency, transplants at incredible speed, and to absolutely destroy any criminal who thinks they can run. Just think about that for 1 second. A real police officer in a real Lamborghini chasing you down. There is nowhere to go. There is nothing you can drive that will save you. This is Level 4, and we are not even close to done yet. Level 5, and we have officially left America behind. Welcome to Dubai, home of the richest, most jaw-dropping police fleet on the entire planet. The Dubai Police Force actually owns and operates a Bugatti Veyron as a patrol car. 1,001 horsepower, a 16-cylinder engine, top speed of 253 miles per hour. That is faster than most private aircraft takeoff. 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. This car cost $1.7 million, and it is sitting in an actual police garage right now. No criminal on earth driving any car ever made can outrun this machine. Dubai does not just have the fastest cops. They have the fastest anything. This is Level 5. Hold on tight. Level 6, and when Europe decides to go absolutely insane. The Brabus Rocket 900 is what happens when German engineers take a Mercedes-AMG sedan and completely lose their minds building it. 900 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Top speed of 217 miles per hour. European law enforcement agencies have adapted versions of this monster for high-speed pursuit operations. It sounds exactly like a fighter jet at full throttle, looks like something a movie villain drives, and moves like a heat-seeking missile locked onto its target. The wild part? It is a full-size 4-door sedan. 4 doors. Family car size. 900 horsepower. That combination should not be legal anywhere on Earth. But it exists, it is real, and police use it. This is Level 6. Level 7, the top. The absolute untouchable king of all police cars on planet Earth. The Lykan HyperSport, owned by Dubai Police. Only 7 of these cars exist in the entire world. 7 total ever made. You have seen this exact car in Fast and Furious 7, jumping between skyscrapers in Abu Dhabi, 780 horsepower twin-turbo engine, 245 miles per hour top speed. The seats are hand-stitched with actual gold thread. The headlights contain real diamonds. And the price tag? $3.4 million. For one car, Dubai Police own it, drive it, park it on the street. There is no Level 8. There is no higher. This is the single most extreme police car ever created in human history. This is Level 7. So here is the big question. Which one of these 7 cars would you want to ride in? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Hit that subscribe button right now, because that video drops next week.